Hi, on today's Ruby piano tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a slow, easy version of the piano part to Bohemian Rhapsody. I'm going to teach it to you, and then we'll go through each little part, both hands. And if right now this is too easy for you, you can jump to this timestamp where I put an advanced one. Yay! Anyways, let's give it a try right here. I'm going to show you how it goes, and then we'll get to it. 1, 2, ready, and go. And that's a slow modified version. What we're going to do is we're going to learn right hand first, and then I'm going to teach you left hand second. And yeah, let's get to it. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are your fingers. Put your thumb on F, finger 3 on B flat, and finger 5 on D. So to make this song easier, we're going to practice something for a couple of seconds. This song has tons of 1, 3, 5s, 1, 3, 5s in it. So we're going to practice that a couple times, and once you have it, it's going to make this song 800 times easier. So let's give it a try. Play 1, 3, 5. Good. Do it again. Ready and go. 1, 3, 5. Do it again. 1, 3, 5. Shut your eyes and try it. Ready and go. 1, 3, 5. Again. 1, 3, 5. And you should do that to where it feels kind of easy, because it's going to make this song tons easier. So we're going to play right hand. I'm going to play the left hand just so you can see how the right hand fits into it. Ignore my left hand right now. What's this? I don't know how I did that, but anyways, ignore my left hand, and you're focusing on the right hand. So it's going to play 1, 3, 5. Then you're going to do it again. 1, 3, 5. So the F chord happens 2 times. Then you're going to move your thumb to G, and this one's going to happen 1 time. So let's give that a try. 1, 3, 5. So it's going to be G, B flat, D. 1, 3, 5. Ready and go. 1, 3, 5. And that's all that happening right there is 1, 3, 5. Then you're going to move your hand and do the same thing. So I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to put it over here. 1, C, E flat, and G. And all you're going to do is play 1, 3, 5. And that happens 2 times right here. Let's give that a try. Ready and go. C, 1, 3, 5. Actually, I fibbed. It happens once. But the 1, 3, 5. And then the next part is not a 1, 3, 5. It's not hard, but the left hand moves during it. But the next part goes 1, 3, 5, F, G, E flat, C. So let's try that for a second. F, G. Do it again. F, G, E flat, C. So let's try 1, 3, 5, F, G, E flat, C. Ready and go. 1, 3, 5, F, G, E flat, C. And that's the hardest part of this, I think. And it's not actually that hard if you practice that a couple of times. Okay. It goes 3 times the F chord. I said 2 earlier, I was wrong. 1 time the G chord. 1 time the C chord. And then actually it does the C chord a second time, but the second time it does that. Let's go ahead and try the right hand part. I'm going to talk you through it, and then we'll learn left hand in a second. So put thumb on F, 3 on B flat, 5 on D. You're focusing on right hand. 1, 2, ready, go. You're going to do this 3 times. Do it again. B flat, 1, 3, 5. Do it again. Now move your thumb to G. G, 1, 3, 5. Move your hand up to C, 1, 3, 5. And now 1, 3, 5. F, G, E, C. And I played the F the wrong time because I was trying to talk. Anyways, we'll learn where this F really goes in a minute. Okay, now let's learn left hand. That should have been easy, I hope. Let's go ahead and learn the left hand now. So, left hand, I'm going to play the right hand so you hear how it fits. It's going to play B flat, And then you're going to do what's called crossing over. You're going to jump over, and it's going to play G, F. And how I'm making the sound ring is I have a foot pedal. It's called a sustain pedal. So you push it, and it lets it all ring. Anyways, let's go back to this. So we're going to play the B flat 3 times. B flat, cross over to G. Do it again, B flat, cross over to G. 3rd time. Now what happens is when your thumb goes to G, G happens over here in the bass note. So now we're going to try G 1 time. G, 1, 3, 5. Now it's going to play A, G. So basically whatever note you're playing over here, it's playing the one above it first over here. So let's do that again. G, cross over to A. Good. Now, when your thumb goes to C here, this goes to C. And just like before, when you cross over, it's going to go the note above C. So start here at the C, ready, and go. Cross over to D. Do it again to the C. And this time you go F, G. And again, I played that the wrong time. I'm going to show you where it goes now. So what happens over here is when we play the 1, 3, 5, F, G, E flat, C, whenever you hit F over here is when F happens over here. And I'm rocking the whole camera. Anyways, you're going to go 1, 3, 5, F. So let's try just that. 1, 3, 5, F. Ready and go. 1, 3, 5, Fs. Do it again. 1, 3, 5, Fs. Now we're going to play the whole phrase. Ready and go. 1, 3, 5, F, G, E flat, C. Let's start right here at this C right here. Ready and go. C, 1, 3, 5, Fs. Practice that a couple times, and once you have that, you're going to have the whole thing. So now, after you practice right hand and after you practice left hand, let's put them both together. So let's try the whole thing together, and then after that, you can keep going, and I have an advanced version that's going to happen right after this. You can play this with my advanced version, or you can start trying to follow the advanced version. It's basically the same thing, except I double some of the notes. Like instead of playing 1 B flat, I'll play 2 of them, and it sounds really cool having the double notes. Anyways, let's give what we got going on right here a try. So F, B flat, and D, and B flat. Okay, I'll talk you through it. Here we go. 1, 2, B flat, go. B, 1, 3, 5. Cross over to the G. Do it again, B flat. 1, 3, 5. Cross over to the G. Last time, B flat. Move to the G, both hands. Cross over to the A. Move both hands to C. Cross over to the D. 1, 3, 5, Fs. Good job. And the last time I'm going to play it through, this time I'm going to play it without talking, and then you can try the advanced one that's coming up right after this. Okay, anyways, without me talking, yay, I'm sure you're excited about that. Like, the lady keeps screaming notes at me. Anyways, the lady's going to stop screaming at you and let you think. So we got a B flat, and your F, and your D. I'm just going to count, then I'll be quiet. 1, 2, ready, and go. To show you an advanced way. You can go ahead and play along the easy way that I just showed you with this, or you can try this advanced level. Anyways, go ahead and find your beginning spot and we will give it a try. 1, 2, ready, and go. and that's the more advanced way to do it. Thank you so much for playing with me today. If you want to watch another video, click one of those boxes up there. Leave a comment if you have any song ideas that you'd like for me to do for you, and I hope you have an awesome day. See you later. Bye.